Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH. Today we're making breakfast.
Tropical overnight oats, specifically.
It's delicious, it's made with tropical fruits, but you can use whatever you like.
This recipe is part of our VEGANUARY meal plan, which is available for you to download as a PDF in the description below.
Of course, subscribe, let us know what you think in the comments, hit that like button.
You prepare this the night before to save yourself time the next day, which is good.
So that's why they call it overnight oats.
Exactly.
Genius! The cool thing about this dish is you can hit those oats with loads of flavour and they'll soak it up overnight.
The oats activate overnight so they become perfect textures. You can eat warm or cold.
It also looks incredible, perfect for Instagram. So if you're one of those food-loving Instagrammers, this is perfect for you.
Ask me what my favourite fruit is.
What's your favourite fruit?
Mango!
Well, let's eat some mango, bro.
Let's do it! Oh my god, look how good that looks. That's really good.
I mean, you've got the sweetness in there from the mango. Obviously, all of that dried fruit has soaked into the oats, making a delicious breakfast. Subscribe to our channel. We make amazing plant-based videos like this almost every day.
Bish,
bash, bosh!